Hey, let me show you how easily you can connect your Sony ULT Field 1 speaker with any iOS device, like for example this iPhone. So first of all, on this speaker, you have to just click on this power button once. Now, when the speaker is turned on, you will have to click on the Bluetooth button. Also, just click once. And now when the speaker is, when the indicator is blinking quickly, it means that we are in the pairing mode. So now, on our iPhone, we'll have to go into the settings, and from this you will have to start for the Bluetooth settings. Then you have to click on the switcher to activate Bluetooth, and now from all of these devices you have to select your Sony ULT Field 1 speaker, so click on it once. And as you can see, now we are successfully connected, and we already got information about the Sony Audio application that we can download from the App Store, so for sure we can do this. Now we'll have to actually find the Sony Music Center application. So this is actually the app that we have to download. So click on the download button, and now you just have to wait for a few moments. We have to just install it. Okay, let me just input my password. There we go. And after a few moments, we'll get this app on our phone. We can just click on the open button. From this, we have to select our region, then click on this that we actually read above contents of the user license. Click next. Click next in the right bottom corner, click agree, click OK again. Now you have to just accept every permission that is popping on your screen. And as you can see, now we are successfully connected. We can find some settings, like for example the sound effect, the Bluetooth connection, and for example the equalizer. And you will enable equalizer if you set the custom sound effect. There we go. So yeah, this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe.